I hope most of the members has come. So now we should start. Already 5 minutes are over. Today we are, okay, thank you so much Sarita ji. Today we are going to do Madhubani art. Madhubani sun we will do. So for this we require A4 size drawing sheet, cartridge sheet you can use, or any thick sheet you can use. Okay, if you are doing first time, then use rough side so color will not split. So use rough side if you are using first time and you are doing practice, then use rough side. We require big scale, compass with pencil, eraser we require, black gel pen. You can use any black gel pen. If you have micron gel pen, you can use this. Otherwise you can use any normal black gel pen. Okay, you can use poster color. If you have poster color, you can use poster color. You can use watercolor, cake color. This is artist watercolor cake. You can use this one also if you have. And if you want to use acrylic color, you can use this acrylic color. You can do this painting on canvas as well. And please don't do promotion here. And round brushes we require. Okay, thin brush, one broad brush. Okay, so we will start. First we will make border. If in future you will give it for frame, you will do frame. So first make border line. All the four sides, first make border line. Okay, if you want to use directly black gel pen, you can use black gel pen for border. Okay, and I think this part we can do little bit fast. All the four sides, first we have to make border line for framing. It will be about 0.5 centimeter or 0.7 centimeter. A4 size sheet you can use. Okay, this Madhubani painting is originated from Mithila. तो जब लॉर्ड राम की मैरिज सीता से फिक्स हुई थी, तब राजा जनक ने कुछ आर्टिस्ट इनवाइट किए थे और उन्होंने मधुबनी पेंटिंग करी, तो इसे मिथिला आर्ट भी कहते हैं. वी कैन कॉल दिस मिथिला आर्ट एज वेल. So first make border all the four side. Okay, now I'm using this big scale, so I have this mark 0.5 centimeter. We'll do double border here. So directly I'm using pen. If you are not in practice, you can do with pencil. Okay, so double border we will make in this. All the four side you have to make border again, and in this border we'll do pattern. So this is first border. If you have any query, you can ask. After this workshop, I'll read your messages, comments, and I'll answer you. Yes, you can use, if you have A3 size sheet, it's okay, you can use A3 size sheet as well. Only you have to make border. Okay, don't worry, you can use A3 size sheet. Video will be uploaded on Facebook page, but you have to share this live session on your account and tag your 5 friends. Okay, one more border I am going to make. This is the thick border, so now I will make thin border. Okay, all the 4 sides same again. Please do it proper so it will look like masterpiece. If you will do it carefully, you can make masterpiece. Like this. Okay. Size of second border will be little bit thin. Okay. Like I have this scale. So 2 lines I have, this one and this one. First border will be till here and second border till here. Okay, now I am showing you pattern one side. After that you will complete in all the 4 sides you can complete. Okay, triangle pattern we will make in thick border. Leave this border for frame. Leave one border for frame. And this triangle pattern you have to make. Any pen, you can use any pen. This is normal gel pen, black gel pen. Okay. You can use Macron pen also if you have. You can use any gel pen. Okay. So you can do on canvas as well. वास्तु के अकॉर्डिंग भी ये बहुत सही होता है. In front of gate you can place this painting. Okay, so like this you have to make border in first line. Oh sorry, I missed some messages. Okay, which thick sheet, you need to use thick sheet and any black gel pen. Okay, I'm not able to read. Gel pen you have to use. Okay, if you don't have, then make one side border and leave that. So when you will get that black gel pen, you can do after that. Okay, so this type of border you can make. I'll show you corner how you can make. This line is going this side, so now it will come this side. Like this you can make. Okay, like this you can make border. One side border I am doing because in this short class we can't do fast and everything we can't do. And in the second border I will do line. Okay, I will start line from here. Do I have to zoom this or is this visible clearly? GSM, more than 200 GSM you have to use. Cartage sheet you can use. This is 0.7 border and this is 0.4. Okay, or you can do accordingly. So now you have to make this line. If you are not able to catch me, it's okay. You can do this much part and leave this. So after this complete work, you can do border. This is easy and you will get to know how to complete this. Corner, I told you how to do. So in second border, you have to make lines. In Madhubani painting, we do this. Earlier we have done that Madhubani elephant That video is still on page if you want to see that. If you don't have this type of pen, it's okay. You can use normal pen. This is a 5 rupees gel pen, black gel pen. Normal pen you can use. Even this pen works very nicely. Dark also. So do I have to zoom? Okay, I will zoom. Just a minute, I'll zoom it. This border is 0.7 and this border is 0.4. Okay. Yes, you can use black pilot pen. Centimeter. Centimeter. 0.7 centimeter, 0.4 centimeter. Okay. And then in first border you will make triangle pattern, and in second border you have to make line pattern. If you have done this much, then take out center point, measure with scale and take out center point. Try to take out center point of the sheet. Gap of line should be equal. Don't change pen in between. I have changed pen, that's why you can see the difference. So don't change pen. Carefully you have to do. If you are not able to do this much fast, it's okay. You can leave this border. Do little bit part and leave this. So after this workshop you can complete this border. Okay, how you will complete? We have started from here and from here. Now this side we will start from top like this. Okay, like this you have to do corner. So I hope corner is also clear. Okay. First you have to leave one border about 0.5 centimeter for framing, then 0.7 centimeter, 0.7 centimeter first border, 0.4 centimeter second border. In first border you have to do triangle, and in second border you have to make lines. Okay, so border is completed. Now take out center point of your sheet. Measure it. Like this is 30 centimeter. So for half I will do 15 centimeter. I will make small line for 15 centimeter. Okay, 15 centimeter till center. Now this side, this is 21 centimeter broad, so I will take 10.5 centimeter. 10.5 centimeter. So this is the center point. I will remove extra line, erase extra line, and this is the center point. Okay, now we will take compass. Okay, and I'll show you how much big you have to do. So 5 centimeter you have to measure. It's okay, I'm doing slow. Center point to be measured. You can measure from border if you want to measure from here. Okay, I have to zoom out this. Sorry. This is fine, I think. Okay, so it's up to you. Center point will be same. If you will measure from last point, then it will be here. If you will measure from this line, then you have to measure till this line. It will be same. Yes. Yes, you can use canvas as well. Now, move forward 5 centimeter. You can see this 5 centimeter. Okay. Put this compass here. Hold this pencil and move your sheet like this. And make one circle. This 5 centimeter broad. Okay, when you will do this, it will be 10. So you have to take 5 centimeter broad. 5 centimeter. Okay. Got it? Now point 2, and point 2. 3 lines we will make. 2 lines we will make. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines we will make. Point 2. Okay. If you want to measure, it's okay. Otherwise, you can do random also. Okay. Point 2. You have to add point 2 like this. If you want to do random, you can do random. Again point 2. I'm not measuring. Same like this you can do. Okay. It can be little bit broad or small. It's up to you. And one more line I will make. It will be point 3. Okay. Little bit broad. Like this you can make. Okay. So 1, 2 and 3. You will get 1, 2 and 3. 3 grids you will take. 2 grids will small. Third one little bit broad. Inner circle will be 5 centimeter. Okay. I will write till here. Okay. 5 centimeter. This line. Got it? 2 lines, 2 grids will be small. 1 grid will be little bit big. Tripti ma'am, we have to use compass. We have to hold compass from here and then we have to move this compass. Okay. We will not move the sheet. But few members can't do this. They are not able to do this. That's why I'm telling them to do like this. Okay. Perfect thing you have to do like this. First you have to hold your compass from top here and then you have to move your compass, not sheet. You have to move your compass only. Okay, you have to do like this. But few members can't do, that's why. Okay. Now this last one we have to take little bit broad. 1.5 centimeter. It will be 1.5 centimeter. You have to do this. Okay. This proper way you want, then you have to hold your compass from top like this and then don't move your sheet and move your compass only like this. You have to move. This is the proper way. If you can do, you can do this. You can take all the circles 5 centimeter if you want to take 5, 5, 5. If you want to take It's up to you. Point 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, sorry. Okay, and one more thin, so 0.2 we can make this. No blue pen, we have to use black pen only. So I hope you have done this much part. Now we have to move on drawing part. 1, 2, 3 grids, 4 and 5. Total 5 grids. If you know how to do mandala art, then it will be easy for you. In Madhubani also we will do this mandala, okay? This is 5 centimeter broad, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 you can take like this. I hope you have done this much. So can we move on next? You can take accordingly. If you are not able to measure the size, so okay, you can take accordingly. 0.2, 0.3, 0.5. This broad grid will be 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter. Is this done? We have to drawing part and coloring part also. Okay, main this is the 5 centimeter circle. You can change these grids. If you want to change these grids, you can change these grids. Yes, it will be from center only. Okay, most of you have done. Now for drawing, I will erase this. We have to make sun face. So in center we will make line, straight line. First we will make straight line. In center we will make straight line like this. With light hand, don't give pressure on your pencil, otherwise you will not able to erase this line again. Okay. If you want to increase number of grids, you can increase. If you want to decrease this number of grids, you can decrease. It's up to you. It's up to you. You can do that. Okay. Now I will not able to read your messages. So please you message. Those who no answer, they will answer. Okay. From center point 2 centimeter up, 2 centimeter up, mark here. 2 centimeter up you have to mark. This line 2 centimeter up. Okay, have you marked here? 2 centimeter up. Then we have to make eyebrows, both side equally we have to make eyebrow. Okay. If you can't make equal, then make line with light hand. Don't give pressure on your pencil. With light hand you can draw line. And then start making eyebrow. Little bit gap, you have to leave little bit gap and you have to make your eyebrow. And this eyebrow will go, sorry, till here, till this line. Okay. Same, leave gap 0.5 centimeter and make eyebrow this side also. And same, it will be till here. Both eyebrows should be equal. Okay, and the second line we will not make like right now. From here we'll make eyes. Okay, from here we are making line, and you have to touch this line like this, and it will go. Same this side. Now we will not leave gap and make eyes. Touch this line and then little bit curve like this. Okay, I'm not able to check. Okay, I'm using black gel pen right now. I'm using pencil only because with pen directly you will not able to do this. Measurement, okay, 2 centimeter we make here point, then one line you have to draw, so equally you will make. Yes, we will paint also. 0.5 centimeter you have to leave gap, 0.5 centimeter. Use pencil and you can do this like this, 0.5 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter for eyebrow. Both sides you have to leave gap, and then you have to make eyebrow like this. Okay, and from side it will go little bit curve. Got it? Shall we move next? Okay, again touch this line and bottom side we have to make line, and same it will go till end. It will go till end like this. It will go till end. If you will make this line horizontal line, it will be easy for you. It will be easy for you. Okay, got it? Shall we move next? Length of eyes you can take accordingly, leave little bit gap this side. Okay, we have to leave little bit gap. Now upside, first we will complete this eyebrow. Broad eyebrow you have to make. Okay, from front side it will be broad, and at the end it will be narrow like this. Same this side, make it curve. Make this curve, and here, till here in center it will go equal, and then touch this line like this. I'm already doing slow. Okay, this done. Now in eye, inside you have to make one more line on top side like this. Top side you have to make one more line. Same this side you have to make one more line like this. Got it? Okay, now we have to make eyeball. Eyeball should be equal. If you can make with free hand, you can make with free hand. Otherwise you can use any object. If you want to use object like this, any broad object, you can use like this. Okay, if you can do with free hand, you can do with free hand, because eyeball should be equal. Eyeball should be equal like this, and eyeball will be little bit big because we are making sun. If okay, this is not equal. use light hand, don't give pressure on your pencil, otherwise you will leave that permanent mark. Okay, it will not, you will not able to erase that. That's why. Eyeball, and in center same you have to make circle, small circle. If you are not able to make eyeball with free hand, it's okay, you can use any object. In Madhubani we are not using object, but you can use this. Okay. Okay, in center first we will make tilak, then we will make nose and lips. Okay, for tilak also you have to make circle, small circle. Now I am using this one and I'll show you how you can make. Okay, with the help of object, how you can make. You have to make like this. Okay, circle, first we have to make circle. Little bit fast. Okay, but I also want to do fast. Actually we have to color also, that's why. Now you see, give little bit gap, and from eyebrow you have to make straight line. Line should be straight like this, you can see, and same this side, straight line you have to make. Both sides you have to make straight line for tilak. Is my voice breaking? Okay, I will check the network. Okay, one more thing I'll tell you. You all are continuously commenting, so few members are not able to see this. So what you can do, on the top side of the mobile, if you are using mobile, so at the top side of the mobile you can see one block, small block like TV button. Okay, you can press this, you can press that. Okay, on top side, so message will not visible to you. Okay, so now we have to move. In center line I will erase, and we have to make tilak again. So if you want to use scale, you can use scale. Make straight, and you have to make this U. Okay, not this line, not outer side line. Outer side will be equal straight line. In center you have to make big U, and one more. With freehand drawing you can make one more U, and if you want to use scale, up to you, you can use scale also. I'm showing you both way, with scale also and with freehand drawing. This inner side U. This is done. You wanted zoom? Few people are commenting that this is fine. Few people are saying this is not visible clearly. I'm not getting. I'll post this video on this page. Okay. And that older one videos I will delete today only. Okay. I have to zoom this. Do I have to zoom? Is this blur? Okay, wait. I'll check. Okay, I will check this. I will check this. I'll zoom it. Not clear yet. I think this is fine now. will check internet.
Okay, I'll check internet.
Is this fine? Is this fine now? Still this is blur? Okay, let me check. Okay, let me change the network connection. Now okay, okay. It's fine. Okay, thank you. Not blur for me. Okay, Prabhati ji. Fine now, Shalini ji. Okay, thank you so much, Shalini ji. Clear. Okay, so outer side line will be straight. Okay, now move on work. Outer side line will be straight, and inner side you have to make this U. Okay, 2U. Now we'll make curved line, both side curved line, and 4 lines we will make, so it will be 3 grids. 1, 2 and 3. Little bit curve, it should be little bit curve. Same 1, 2 and 3. If you want to measure, you can measure it. Okay, but these grids should be equal. But you can take 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, if you want to measure it, you can take 1 centimeter. Okay, it's good. Tilak is done. Now we have to do nose. Again, measure it. In Madhubani, generally we don't measure, but to make it equal, we are measuring. Okay, mark here on 5 centimeter from this dot. Okay, from this dot, mark 5 centimeter from this dot. Okay, if you are using the center point, then you can do 3.5. From center point it will be 3.5. And make curved line like this. I think this is clear now. Okay, center, and on top you have to make stitches and touch this. From here it will be round, from here it will be round, and this side you have to make small circle and make this one. Okay, leave little bit gap this side. Same stitch you have to make this side. Up side it will go small circle, and then like this you have to make stitches. How many centimeter? Okay, I'll measure and I'll show you centimeter. I'll tell you centimeter. It will be 3.5, okay, or 3.7. Stitches will be 3.5 or 3.7. You can take any size according to your sheet. Got it? 3.5 or 3. Centimeter, 3.5 or 3.7 centimeter. Okay, same bottom side, bottom lip, lower lip we will make like this, lower lip. Okay, and top side make only this much line. Got it? Lips done. Now we have to make nose. Are you ready? Leave gap both side and we will start from here. It will be little bit curved and come like this. Like this you have to make. Okay, it will be little bit curved. Same this side. And it will touch moustaches like this. Okay, and in center you have to make small U like this. It's not clear. Wait. This one, and it will be in center. You have to make small U like this. Now this extra line, we have made the center line. Erase the center line. Erase the center line, and this extra line we have done for measurement. So erase that extra. This is done. Face is done. So I hope now this is looking fine. Yes, face. Okay, now take pencil and sun rays we have to make. How to make sun rays? Okay, from top side we will start, and 1 and 2 you have to make this one, this line, curve, wavy line you have to make, wavy line, and from here it will be broad and here it will touch this wavy line. Again same shape you will not change, same shape you have to do, and it will go like this. Thank you so much. When we will color it, it will look so beautiful, amazing even. Okay, the same pattern wavy line you have to do this side and this side. Now we have to make one more ray this side. So what you will do, you will join with the same line, curved line, and make like this. Okay, join from here. You will not start, don't give gap here, don't give gap, start from here. Again wavy line you have to do same. From this grid it will be broad, and from top side you have to leave. So don't give gap between two rays like this, and you have to make this one. Okay, now all the rays should touch this border line. All the rays should touch this border line. I will do little bit fast like this. It should touch border line. It's okay. This corner, this rays will be little bit big, but it's okay. Like this you have to make with same shape will not change. Don't change the shape. Okay, this side how you will make, we have less space. So how you will make, from broad it will be same, you will not change size. Okay, and like this you have to make. Got it? And when you will come here, it will look like this. I'll show you. Okay, I'll explain again. Okay, I'll explain again. till the end you have to do this. Shape you will not change, shape will be same. If you are not able to do this much fast, it's okay. One side you can do and one side you can leave. Okay. Okay, now I have to zoom out so it will be visible clearly and completely. Is this done? Gap of rays, it can be random. Okay, according to you. Accordingly you can leave this gap. Okay, do you want to measure this? Okay, I'll show you. 1.2. Yes, you can take 1 or 1.2. 1 or 1.2. Okay. So I hope you have done this much part. Shall we move on coloring? First we will color, then we will outline this. And I'll show you how to do. It's not clear. On another device looking clear, visible clear.